How to tow a car with a dolly. The complete guide. Dolly towing is a method of towing a vehicle behind another vehicle using a tow dolly. This can be a great way to ship a car, especially if it cannot be driven for some reason. However, following the manufacturer's instructions and safety guidelines is essential to ensure a safe and successful car tow. Using a tow dolly involves attaching the towed auto's front wheels or two wheels into the dolly using a loading ramp and tire straps. The doll is then connected to the towing auto using a hitch and safety chains. When selecting a dolly, choosing one suitable for your car and towing auto vehicle is crucial. The weight of the car and the tow capacity of your vehicle will determine the type of dolly you need. By following these steps, you can ensure that your car is safely and securely attached to your dolly, and that your doll is securely connected to your towing vehicle. Remember always to prioritize safety when towing and to take the time to properly prepare. Inspect your equipment before hitting the road. Call us today at 888-231-0113.